Hi guys! So today we are going to explain 9 reasons to eat black garlic. And also make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications on, and that will make sure you never miss a video. And please turn the bell on. Thank you. Hi guys! So today we are going to tell you 9 reasons why to eat black garlic. Serious box here. I don't think you can see it that well, but yeah, there's a box here. We don't know what is it, and we're gonna open it. Reason number 1: it reduces pathogens. Number 2: it reduces inflammation. Number 3: it reduces insulin resistance. And number 4: it increases immunity. And number 5, it's nutrient rich. Number 6, it has bioavailable nutrients. Number 7,
that's phytonutrient.
Number 8.
It reduces cancer significantly.
number 9,
It reduces risk
Oh.
and regular disease like heart attack, stroke,
Oh. Okay.
stroke,
Yeah.
and blood pressure.
It reduces blood pressure. All right. Where did you get the information from?
So we got the information from Dr. Eric Berg, a top benefits of black garlic.
Where do you get black garlic from?
The store.
Or,
The garden.
well, that's a good start.
Amazon.
No, that's advertising. No.
Getting seeds.
Okay. Seeds. Garlic grows from bulbs. Okay. So we're gonna open this one. I will open the top.
But I think I know what it is.
What
What
is
do you
it?
think?
Garlic, dark garlic.
Okay.
You mean black
Black
garlic?
garlic.
Black garlic. What the fuck? I see something. Why does it look so big? I see something.
The more bigger the box
Something
is,
fermented.
the more bigger the item.
Oh, what the fuck is this? What is this? Huh?
Oh no, black garlic.
Yeah, I knew it. Black garlic.
No, I hate this stuff. I hate this stuff.
How to make
Take it out. Take out.
it? How to make black garlic?
What is that?
It's a machine and it says how to make garlic.
Really?
Yes.
Doesn't it look like something else?
Looks like
A machine.
a machine.
Do we have something that looks almost like this? Lift it up a little bit.
Garlic. It's a rice cooker.
Also looks like the heater.
The heater.
Yeah,
Okay.
heater. What do you?
Then, if we're on keto, then why are we eating rice?
I mean, I don't think we need rice.
How do we do the uses thing?
Oh. Okay.
I want the boomerang thing. I
Boomerang.
think so the boomerang.
What the boomerang?
Oh,
Yeah, it is a rice cooker. It's a rice cooker. And with an extra pot thing to hold your rice. You put the rice here, it grinds it up.
I'm using this bag right now. I like using it.
Put it in, close it up, boom, garlic. And garlic. This only takes 12 days, which is also 288 hours. Stage 1, from 288 hours till 216 hours. Ferment box temperature is plus minus 80 degrees Celsius. Stage 2 is 216 till 192 hours. For the box temperature is ambient. Stage 3, 192 till 0 hours. Ferment box temperature plus minus 72 degrees Celsius. This is a lot of pieces, okay, I don't know how much. And now we put it inside. And now we wait for about 12 days.
It's not gonna work.
Why?
You didn't plug it in.
See you in 12 days! Bye. And see you in 12 days, the final result of this black garlic. You will see what it looks like. Now stay tuned.
Okay, so now, here we are, 12 days later, after we've put the garlic into this contraption. Now, I hope you are as excited as me to see what is coming out of this. 288 hours later, inside here, let's open it. But before I do, like, comment, share and subscribe. Please guys. It's up to you if you want to do it. I would like you to do it. And let's share this. First time we've done this, I have no idea how this went. I think it's good. I have a suspicion that it worked. Oh my goodness. So we did 15 of them. 15 of them. So, smells like garlic. Well, not as strong as the normal garlic, but it smells like garlic. So remember what Dr. Eric Berg said. We'll take one victim, we'll do this one. We'll put the rest back. But he said that there's 9 health benefits, major health benefits of this garlic. It decreases pathogens, it decreases inflammation, it reduces your insulin resistance, and then also this is very nutrient rich, and then there's bioavailable nutrients in here. Also there's phytonutrients in here like allicin. Another thing he said is if you consume black garlic, there's a significant reduction in cancer cases. And then lastly, but not least, seeing that it's the leading cause in the world of death, is there's a reduction in cardiovascular disease, which covers heart attacks, stroke and high blood pressure. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. It feels a little bit weird. I'm not used to this, but it feels like very dried out, which is to be expected. But let's cut it and let's see. So, alright. A little bit nervous. Ooh. Maybe the cut didn't go that well. It's not a clean cut. I fear that this might be too dry. I think now, just looking at this, yeah, I fear this is gonna be too dry. It's gonna be like a charcoal thing. I don't think this is how it's supposed to be. Nope. Like this? I'm not even gonna eat it. Okay, I'll try another one, but I seriously doubt. I seriously doubt this is how it was supposed to be. There's no way, man. This is. Nope. It's not how it's supposed to be. So when I was feeling it, yeah, I was probably, right? And all of them feel like this. So I think this might be a fail. Yeah, look at this. Look. Nope. Nope. Look at that. Nope. It's too dried out. I have a suspicion that 288 hours is just way too much. Unless, but I don't think, then maybe we did it wrong. Were we supposed to put water at the bottom of this to keep it moist? I wonder. It might be my idiot mistake 12 days later, but this is not how it is supposed to be. This looks like carbonized garlic rather than what we would want from black garlic. So what I suspect we had to do is to put water in this puppy here at the bottom first, and to keep it moist. I don't know, man, but this I can tell you now, all of them is dried out like a 60-year-old bachelor party. So yeah. I don't know. It is. Come on, man, I was excited for this. Alright, at least we attained the blackness, but we did not attain the goodness. Alright? My goodness. Okay, I will try one piece, but I think I know how it's gonna go. It's gonna be bitter, dry, charcoal-like. I will still try. Actually, I will not call it a complete disaster. I think we can still eat this. It's still got a sweet taste, but it's not the soft gummy berry-ish texture that we expected. So if you pound these, crush it, and use it in your cookie, hydrate it while you're cooking it, the flavor is still there, but it's not the soft gooey consistency that we thought we were gonna have. It's like dry garlic, but so I'll not chalk it as a complete failure. However, we'll do a little bit more research and see how we can get it gooey. The gooey is the important part for me, because it should be really like a gummy bear, not like, well, this is not what I expected. So if this is how it should be, it's not what I thought it was. So a little bit more research, and after I've done that, we'll make a new video trying this again. So thanks guys for tuning in after my disappointment. Let's live and learn, right, from this. So I don't think this is the right way. So